This divider rice bin is a large-capacity wall-mounted grain storage jar with 6 compartments that can hold up to 20 pounds of grains and miscellaneous cereals. It is made of high-quality PP material, sturdy and durable. The sealed lid design effectively prevents the intrusion of moisture and pests. It can be safely and securely hung on the wall by punching holes for installation, saving space. This home kitchen organizer is not only practical, but also convenient for storing and managing all kinds of grains and cereals, making the kitchen more tidy and organized. It is an ideal storage organizer for both home use and commercial premises.